Hei, jeg heter Rune Sørensen, jeg jobber her hos RUPES. Bak meg ser dere den ikoniske bygningen her i Milano, og nå skal dere få bli med meg inn, se hva vi gjør her inne. Bli med! Hei, i dag skal vi snakke om Bigfoot-maskinene våre, denne serien av poleringsmaskiner som dere alle kjenner godt til. Men dere kjenner kanskje ikke alle detaljene så veldig godt om hele serien. Så til å hjelpe meg med å forklare det, så har jeg fått med meg vår kategorisjef, Marco Garavaglia. Velkommen. Welcome, Marco.
Hi, Rune. Welcome to you, to the customer on our factory in RUPES.
And thanks for sharing of your knowledge to the Norwegian audience and the Norwegian users. I know they love to hear more about these machines. But first of all, you have been working for RUPES for a very long time.
Yes, I'm working in RUPES from 23 years. And the RUPES is changed radically, especially in the last 15 years. It's completely new factory, more international, with more attention to the needs of our end user and more near to the end user with the tool and with the needed of them.
Yeah. And of course, everything changed with the introduction of the Bigfoot system.
Yeah.
Yeah. Speaking of that, we have a wide range of polishers in front of us, from the rotary until the battery-driven. Can you take us through this series of products and explain a little bit about why they have been developed and some history behind them? Some are old techniques and some are new.
So here there are the history of the polisher in RUPES. From the past, RUPES was recognized in the market as a good manufacturer in electric tool, but especially in the polisher was recognized as a leader. This was reinforced and have an explosion in the international market with the Bigfoot. The first Bigfoot really exit from the product line was the 75. This is the first one, the first Bigfoot tool produced by RUPES. Immediately arrived the LHR 21,
which changed everything.
Yeah, all people know. And the 15 was the confirm of this system was the future of the polisher for RUPES and introduced the name RUPES in the detailing market. The pneumatic tool and the planetary one, the gear-driven, was complete the range of the tool in our catalog. Mm-hmm. So, thanks to this tool, our customer or our end user need only to open the catalog and choose what they prefer or they need according the application, according his need. The last born was the LHR 75, the battery, but the last one is the beginner of the future of RUPES, because probably this is the first tool of the new family of Bigfoot tool.
Yeah. Giving me the idea or open my eyes for that, we have actually now 3 different working techniques. Yeah. We have the rotary, we have the random orbital, and we have the gear-driven. And we also have 3 different powering systems.
Yes, right. So the rotary, all people polish or have a polisher have one rotary tool in her laboratory, in his laboratory, or in the corner of where they work. So today in the market, the big percentage of the tool is in rotary movement because it's the most popular. The random orbital is sure the new polisher that allow to have a better finishing that is something new that meet better the quality with the new surface, the new paint we have on the market,
Yeah,
so
right.
the new technology. The gear-driven is the compromise, because the user technique is most similar to the rotary, but have the advantage, some advantage of the random orbital.
Yeah.
So you can choose.
You can choose here. And I also see, even if we miss the cables of these machines, we have electric machines,
Yeah.
we have pneumatic machines, and finally we also have
The hybrid.
the hybrid, or the battery.
Yeah, the hybrid is
powering.
sure the stone of the RUPES product, because allow to work or cordless, so without any power cord connect, with the battery, or without the battery and with the power supply connected to the power
Giving
cord.
us
So,
the possibility to use the same machine both with the battery and with the cord.
Exactly.
Which is also many people calls the small machine the nano for the hybrid.
Yeah,
But the
yeah.
hybrid is not the machine; it's the system,
It's
right?
Exactly.
Giving
The
us the-
hybrid is the system that allow to use the same tool with the battery or with the power supply. So they have the same shape of the battery. You insert the in the tool, but allow to connect to the socket.
That must be a perfect solution, giving the user the opportunity to use battery-driven or cord electric-driven.
Exactly.
Great. Which one is your favorite?
It's difficult to choose, but the choice of the tool is always a problem for every customer. My favorite, when I polish my car, not often, is the 15.
It's the 15. Yeah.
But depend, because every tool have each category or each application where is the better solution. So in each tool there are a feature that allow to the end user to obtain the best result.
Yeah, according to which
According to the needs of or the material.
Cars, boats, airplanes, trains.
Exactly.
Yeah, good. One last question about these machines, because now we are only talking about the machines. Bigfoot is a system. It has been since 2011. So, especially with these two machines, there are some rules, or there are some things we need to consider when we choose our polishes and pads for the random orbital machines. Can you tell me a little bit about what's the most important things to remember when you pick your favorite pads, which should be RUPES, of course, but which one? And also sometimes people mention to me they want to change backing plates and so on. But there are some reasons why we should consider this.
The real goal of the Bigfoot system in the world is because we introduce not only the polisher, but we introduce a system. So the system is composed by the tool, by a complete range of product, like a foam pad, like a compound, like a finishing compound. So the combination of that permit to obtain the great result. If you change one of these components, you obtain a good result, but not the best. It's like a car in the Formula 1. With Bigfoot, we polish, the level of polisher is like the Formula 1. So any small detail change radically the result. In the car of Formula 1, if mistake in the wheel, in the heart of the wheel, we lost 1 second per race. The same is that if don't use the right pad, probably we don't obtain the great result.
No, and also vibrations.
Exactly, because especially with the random orbital, we introduce the component of the orbit. So we have a mass that create a vibration, and the mass in movement is the pad and is the foam pad with the compound.
With the compound, yeah.
So the total weight of pad plus foam pad and compound is some 100 grams.
Yeah.
That turn at more than 3,000 or 4,000 RPM. So consider the force in act is too much, and the balancing of the tool is a mathematical calculation.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
That have a lot of variable because there are the weight of the compound and this. So it's difficult to fix.
Most important thing is that this is a system. It is built by RUPES, and we have machines, backing plates, pads and foam, pads and polishes, which all are made to work perfect together.
Exactly.
We will make another video with Gabriele, the category manager for those. So for those of you who are interested in the polishes and pads, we'll make another video. Great. I think that's all, isn't it? Anything you want to add?
No, thank you very much for this occasion to make this small talk about RUPES tool. I'm happy if you want to make another one, maybe on the sander.
We will, definitely. Yeah. Because you are category manager also for other electric products.
All other machines. Tool.
Yeah.
So pneumatic and electric.
Yeah. So we will make more videos. So just follow us so you will find Marco again. Okay. Thanks, Marco.
Thank you.
For dere norske der hjemme, vi kommer til å lage flere filmer, mange temaer, så bare følg med her, så får du din favorittepisode, helt sikkert. Er det spørsmål, send oss gjerne et spørsmål på vår Facebook-side, eller her som kommentar. Tusen takk for denne gangen.